Dear students, in this lecture we are going to study about harmonic analysis. Harmonic analysis is the last point of this Fourier series. We have Fourier series expansion of f of x in interval 0 to 2l is. We have Fourier series f of x equal to a0 upon 2 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity in bracket an cos n pi x upon l plus bn sin n pi x upon l. This is a Fourier series of f of x in the interval 0 to 2l. Okay. When we put n equal to 1 in this term, we get the term a1 first term. When we put n equal to 1 in summation, we get a1 cos of 1 pi x upon l plus b1 sin 1 pi x upon l, which is called first harmonic of this Fourier series. This is a first harmonic. Okay, this is first harmonic. If we put n equal to 2 in this summation, we get a2 cos 2 pi x upon l plus b2 sin 2 pi x upon l. This term is called second harmonic. And so on. मतलब अगर n equal to 3 put किया, if we put n equal to 3, then we get a3 cos 3 pi x upon l plus b3 sin 3 pi x upon l. This is third harmonic. And if we put n equal to 1, we get a1 cos 1 pi x upon l plus b1 sin 1 pi x upon l, which is called first harmonic term, or it's called fundamental term. Okay. So in harmonic analysis, we have to given in problems the values of x and y. Values of x and y are given. From this, we have to find the Fourier series for the given function up to first harmonic or second harmonic or third harmonic, depending on the question. Okay. So this is the Fourier series for function f of x in the interval 0 to 2l. And how to find a0? A0 equal to 2 into average values of y. Average values of y, that is summation y upon n. 2 into summation yi upon m, where m equal to total number of observations which are not repeated, or m equal to number of subintervals. फॉर्मूला फॉर an. अभी इसके एग्जांपल में आपको फंक्शन ऑफ x गिवन नहीं रहेगा, इसलिए आप इंटीग्रेशन का फॉर्मूला अप्लाई नहीं कर सकते. यहाँ x एंड y की वैल्यू टेबल में गिवन रहेगी, उसका आपको डेटा एनालिसिस करके आपको उसका फूरियर सीरीज फाइंड करना है. दैट्स व्हाई दिस टॉपिक इज कॉल्ड हार्मोनिक एनालिसिस. an 2 into average value of summation yi into cos n pi x upon l. Average value divided by m, where m is number of subintervals, and value of bn equal to 2 into summation y into sin n pi x upon l divided by m. Okay. If the given function f of x is defined in the interval 0 to 2 pi instead of 0 to l general interval, if we have 0 to 2 pi interval, that is, we know if we compare this with 0 to 2l interval, we get l equal to pi. Then we get Fourier series f of x equal to a0 upon 2 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity an cos n pi x upon l. When l equal to pi, that is, if the interval is 0 to pi instead of 0 to l, then we get l equal to pi. If we put l equal to pi get cancelled. Then we get cos nx plus bn sin sin n pi x upon L. L equal to pi. Pi get cancelled. Nx only. Okay, this is Fourier series of f of x in the interval 0 to 2 pi, 0 to 2 pi, and formula for a0 is a0 equal to 2 into summation yi upon m. yi मतलब y1, y2, y3, summation of y upon m. Then an equal to 2 into summation y into cos nx, nx when L equal to pi get cancelled, only nx. Then else bn 2 into summation y into sin nx upon m. Why nx? L equal to pi. When you put L equal to pi get cancelled. That's why we get only angle sin into nx. Okay. So this is Fourier series of f of x in 0 to 12, and this is Fourier series expansion of f of x in interval 0 to 2 pi. That is L equal to pi. This is formula a0, an, bn for this Fourier series of f of x in the interval 0 to 12, and this Fourier coefficient a0, an, bn for the Fourier series of f of x in the interval 0 to 2 pi. Okay. By using this formula, we can solve the examples on the harmonic analysis. If we have half range cosine series, if we have to find the cosine coefficients, half range cosine series, if we have to find the problems on harmonic analysis of half range cosine series, and we know in half range cosine series value of bn is equal to 0, or half range cosine series defined in the interval x greater than 0 less than L, that is in the interval 0 to L. Then we get the formula for half range cosine series, value of bn is 0, that's why we get only this Fourier series f of x equal to a0 upon 2 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity an cos n pi x upon L. This is the half range cosine series, and formula for a0 is 2 into summation y upon m, where m equal to number of subintervals. Formula for an equal to 2 into summation y into cos n pi x upon L, and for bn for half range cosine series value of bn equal to 0. Okay, if this half range cosine series is defined in the interval, if this half range cosine series defined in the interval x greater than 0 less than pi, that is L equal to pi, then we get the term for half range cosine series bn equal to 0. Then we get the terms here a0 equal to 2 into summation y upon m, an equal to 2 into summation y into cos nx upon m. If the Fourier, if we have to find the harmonic analysis on half range sine series of f of x defined in the interval x greater than 0 less than L, then Fourier series half range sine series of f of x is given by summation n equal to 1 to infinity bn sin n pi x upon L, where bn equal to, formula for bn equal to 2 into summation y into cos n pi x upon L divided by m equal to number of subintervals. If given function defined in the interval x greater than 0 less than pi, that is L equal to pi, then what is half range sine series for this function f of x? Summation n equal to 1 to infinity bn sin L equal to pi get cancelled, only nx, and where formula for bn equal to 2 into summation y into for formula for bn equal to 2 into summation y into sin n pi x upon L. When L equal to pi, then only we get angle sin nx divided by m. This is formula for harmonic analysis of half range cosine, half range sine series, half range cosine series. This formula for half range sine series. Okay, if the given function is defined in 0 to L, then we use these two formula, and if the given function is defined in the interval 0 to pi for half range sine series, we use these two formula. Okay, now we will see the examples on harmonic analysis. Examples on harmonic analysis. This is first example on harmonic analysis. So, example is find the Fourier series of the following values up to second harmonics in the interval 0 to 6. Values of x and y are given. That is values of x and y equal to function of x are given. We have to express this y in Fourier series. So, yeah, in this example, not given function of x, only given the values of x and y. From this value, from this data, we have to analyze the Fourier series for these values. Okay, and interval is given 0 to 6, and we have to find the Fourier series. Okay, if we compare, okay, Fourier series given interval, okay, 0 to 2L. Okay, 0 to 2L interval is given. 0 to 2L interval is given. Okay, so we get L equal to 3, 2L equal to 6, so L equal to 3. So Fourier series is given by f of x equal to a0 upon 2 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity in bracket an cos n pi x upon L. What is value of L? What is the value of, suppose, capital L? What is value of capital L is 3 plus b2 sin n pi x upon L is 3. So this is Fourier series. But the question is, find the Fourier series of the following up to second harmonic. So we have to solve this Fourier series for n equal to 2 up to second harmonic. See here, f of x equal to a0 upon 2 plus summation from n equal to 1 to infinity. So if you put n equal to 1, we get a1 cos 1 pi x upon 3 plus b, this is bn, b1 sin 1 pi x upon 3, then plus sine. This is up to first harmonic. If we put n equal to 1, we get Fourier series up to first harmonic. If you put n equal to 2 again, then we get Fourier series up to second harmonic. So a2 cos 2 pi x upon 3 plus b2 sin 2 pi x upon 3. This is our equation number 1. If we see here, number of subintervals, the complete interval is 0 to 6. This is first interval, 0 to 1 first interval, 1 to 2 second, 2 to 3 third, 3 to 4 fourth, 4 to 5 fifth, and 5th to 6. Total 6 subintervals are there. 0 to 1 first interval, 1 to 2 second, 2 to 3 third, 3 to 4 fourth, 4 to 5 fifth, and 5th to 6th interval. So total we get number of subintervals, that is m equal to 6. Total number of subintervals. or observations, non-repeated observation. For x equal to 0, we get y equal to 4, and for x equal to 6, we get y equal to 4. So this value is repeated. So number of observations of x, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So m equal to 6. Value of a0 equal to value of a0 equal to 2 into summation y upon m. Formula is m. So 2 into summation y upon m is equal to 6. So we get summation y upon 3. Formula for a0. Okay. Then formula for an equal to 2 into formula for an equal to 2 into summation y into cos n pi x upon L divided by m. So equal to 2 into summation y into cos n pi x upon 3 divided by 6. So what is value of an is 2 into summation y into cos n pi x upon 3 divided by 3. 2 upon 6 is 1 by 3. Okay. But in this equation number 1, this Fourier series up to second harmonic, we have to find a1, b1, a2, b2. From formula an, we can find a1 and a2. So put n equal to 1. For n equal to 1, we get a1 summation y into cos pi x upon 3 divided by 3. And from, if we put n equal to 2, here, we get a2 equal to, summation y into cos 2 pi x upon 3 divided by 3. This formula for a2. And formula of bn is, general formula, bn, 2 into summation y into cos n pi x upon L divided by m, here is sin n pi x upon L. If we put value of m, and value of m is value of total number of sub interval 6, and L equal to 3. So if we put n equal to 1, we get formula for b1, 2 into summation y into sin, you put n equal to 1 pi x upon L equal to 3 divided by 6 divided by m equal to 6. So 2 upon 6 is 3 summation y into sin pi x upon 3. Now we want b2 also. To get b2, put n equal to 2. We get b2 equal to 2 into summation y sin n equal to 2 pi x upon 3, L equal to 3, and divided by m equal to 6. So we get 2 by 6 is 1 by 3, and summation y into sin 2 pi x upon 3. So we get formula for a0, a1, a2 and b1, b2, which is required in the Fourier series up to second harmonic. Okay, so this is we find the values of b1, b2, a1, a2 and a0. For a0 we need summation y. For a1 we need this summation y into cos pi x upon 3, and for this b1 we require summation y into sin pi x upon 3, and for b2 we need summation y into sin 2 pi x upon 3. To find these summations we use this table. So first we draw the table, given table. तो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, इस जो फॉर्मूला a1, a2, b1, b2 बनाए थे उससे हमने क्या किया कि ये समेशन वाला टेबल बनाया। तो समेशन देखो, इस a0 में कौन सा समेशन चाहिए था? समेशन ऑफ y के सभी वैल्यूज की एडिशन, समेशन ऑफ y। नेक्स्ट a1 का ऑब्जर्वेशन देखो, दिस इज फॉर्मूला फॉर a1। इफ यू सी a1 हियर कौन सा समेशन है? समेशन y इंटू cos 1 pi x upon 3। तो यहां मैंने लिखा y इंटू cos pi x upon 3। ओके, a2 में कौन सा समेशन है? a2 इक्वल टू मींस कौन सा समेशन है? समेशन y इंटू cos 2 pi x upon 3। तो y इंटू cos 2 pi x upon 3। b1 में क्या समेशन है? कौन सा समेशन है b1 में? देखो यहाँ b1 में क्या समेशन है? समेशन y इंटू sin pi x upon 3। तो y इंटू cos pi x upon 3 का मल्टीप्लीकेशन किया। ओके, लास्ट b2 में कौन सा समेशन है? समेशन y इंटू साइन 2 pi x upon 3। तो यहाँ लिखा y इंटू साइन 2 pi x upon 3, तो उसका मल्टीप्लीकेशन। ओके, सो वी पुट द वैल्यूज ऑफ x and values of y. We write here values of x and values of y, which is given in the problem. Okay, up to 5th. Why we are not write 6th term? See the example in which x are given 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, or 6. For 6 there is value of y is repeated, because this function x and y's function is a periodic function for which a value after the 5th value, for 6th value the value of y is repeated. That's why we can't take in the calculation. Okay, we take only non-repeated values. Last values is repeated, that's why we never take this value. Okay, so x and values are given, so we need these summations, that's why we write these multiplications. If we solve this multiplication, but the important note is, while solving the calculations on the given table, then convert your calculator of the mode of radian. Then if we put x equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, then we get this angle is in pi, that is in radian. Okay, so convert your calculator as mode of radian. Okay, so radian में आपको calculator convert करना है। okay, क्योंकि यहाँ x equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 जो पुट करने वाले, उसके बाद यहाँ एंगल बनने वाला वो रेडियन में जाने वाला है सभी समीशन में, तो आपको कैलकुलेटर का मोड रेडियन में होना चाहिए। तो ये कैलकुलेशन करना है y क्या है? 4 इंटू cos क्या है? x की वैल्यू 0, cos 0 इज 1, तो 4 इंटू 1 4, y इज 4 इंटू साइन x की वैल्यू क्या है? 0, साइन 0 0। तो इस तरह से हमें ये सब मल्टीप्लिकेशंस करने, कैलकुलेशंस करने हैं। उसके बाद हमें इस टोटल वैल्यूज का जो समीशन आता है वो क्या रहता है? ये y इंटू cos pi x upon 3 का जो कैलकुलेशन, उसका अगर एडिशन की तो हमें समीशन मिलता है, समीशन यानी कि एडिशन, समीशन y इंटू cos pi x upon 3 equal to -8.5, summation of this all multiplication, summation y into sin pi x upon 3 equal to 13, summation of addition of these all values, we get the summation of y into cos 2 pi x upon 3. If we add these total values, we get the summation of y into sin 2 pi x upon 3, summation y into sin 2 pi x upon 2 pi x upon, again we check here, 2 pi x upon 3, 2 pi x upon 3, 2 pi x upon 3. Okay, we get minus 2.6. Now we put this all summations in required formula. Okay, summation y, a0 में summation y is 42 divided by 3, we get 14, we get answer 14. If we put this summation, then we get the value of a1 equal to summation y into cos pi x upon 3, which is summation, this summation, which summation, this summation, summation y into cos pi x upon 3, which we get minus 8.5, minus 8.5 divided by 3, we get minus 8.5 divided by 3, we get minus 2.8333. Okay, next b1, for b1, 2 into summation y into pi x upon 3 upon 6, that is upon 3 into summation y into sin pi x upon 3. What is the summation of y into sin pi x upon 3? Sin pi x upon 3, this is summation 13. 13 divided by 3, 13 divided by 3, 13 divided by 3, we get 13 divided by 3, we get 4.34. So value of b1 is 4.34. Value of a2, summation y into cos 2 pi x upon 3, summation y into cos 2 pi x upon 3, which is minus 4.5. Minus 4.5 divided by 3 equal to, so a2 equal to a1 equal to minus 2.8333 and a2 equal to minus 1.5, minus 1.5. Then last value of b2. For b2, summation is y into sin 2 pi x upon 3, which will get minus 2.6. So minus 2.6 divided by 3, we get minus 2.6 divided by 6 divided by 3, we get minus 0.867. We get this value minus 0.867. So put all the values in the Fourier series of f of x. What is f of x? Fourier series is f of x equal to a0 upon 2 plus a1, equation number 1. Repeat the video and see the equation number 1, which will get, which is equation number 1. I write here equation number 1, which is f of x equal to a0 upon 2 plus summation, sorry, not summation, a1 equal to cos pi x upon 3 plus a2, sorry, b1 sin pi x upon 3 plus a2 cos 2 pi x upon 3 plus b2 sin 2 pi x upon 3. This is a Fourier series up to second harmonic. Then write down the values of a0, a1, b1, a2, b2. Okay, so f of x equal to, this value of a0 is 14. 14 divided by 2 is 7.5 plus a1. Value of a1 is minus 2.833 minus 2.833 into cos pi x upon 3. Then plus b1. Value of b1 is 4.34. 4.34 into sin pi x upon 3 into sin pi x upon 3. Then plus value of a2. Value of a2 equal to minus 1.5. Minus 1.5. Cos minus 1.5 into cos 2 pi x upon 3 plus b2. b2 is minus 0.867 minus 0.867 into sin 2 pi x upon 3 and so on. So this is required Fourier series of f of x up to second harmonic. So this is first example on harmonic analysis in the interval 0 to 6. अभी हमने एग्जांपल सॉल्व किया when harmonic analysis on the question of Fourier series in the interval 0 to 2l. लेकिन कभी हाफ रेंज कोसाइन सीरीज पूछ सकते हैं, हाफ रेंज साइन सीरीज भी पूछ सकते हैं, तो आपको कॉन्सेंट्रेट करना है क्वेश्चन पे. तो ये क्वेश्चन देखो, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन लिया है, सेम एग्जांपल लिया है, सेम एग्जांपल, नो चेंज. ओके, ऑब्टेन द फर्स्ट 3 कोएफिशिएंट्स इन द Fourier कोसाइन सीरीज फॉर y. ओके, 3 कोएफिशिएंट तक आपको सॉल्व करना है, लेकिन यह हार्मोनिक बोला है कि नहीं. 3 कोएफिशिएंट इन Fourier कोसाइन सीरीज. तो Fourier कोसाइन सीरीज में क्या डिफरेंस है ये आपको देखना है. सो इस सीरीज में आपको क्या करना है, इस सीरीज में आपको इंटरवल देखना है। यह फूरियर कोसाइन सीरीज बोला है, मतलब हाफ रेंज कोसाइन सीरीज बोला है। तो इंटरवल क्या रहता है हाफ रेंज कोसाइन सीरीज के लिए? सिर्फ फूरियर सीरीज के लिए इंटरवल रहता है 0 to 2l, लेकिन हाफ रेंज कोसाइन सीरीज, हाफ रेंज साइन सीरीज के लिए इंटरवल क्या रहता है? 0 to l ओनली। तो यहाँ इंटरवल क्या दिया है? x from 0 to 6, x from 0 to 6, so we get l equal to 6, and we know Fourier cosine series. What is Fourier cosine series of f of x? Which is equal to a0 upon 2, a0 upon 2 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity an cos n pi x upon l. Here l equal to 6. Here l equal to 6. That's why we write here l equal to 6. Okay. So, but we want this Fourier series of y up to 3 coefficients. Up to 3 coefficients. So we write this Fourier series up to 3 coefficients. We get a0 upon 2 plus up to first coefficient put n equal to 1. We get a1 cos of 1 pi x upon 6 plus up to second coefficients put n equal to 2. a2 cos of 2 pi x upon 6 plus a3 3 pi x upon 6. We can write 3 upon 6 is 1 by 2, 2 upon 6 1 by 3, and so on. So we have to find the Fourier cosine series up to first 3 coefficients. So up to first 3 coefficients, that is a1, a2, a3, and we know the formula for harmonic analysis of a0, 2 into summation y upon m, where m equal to number of, this is our equation 1, number of sub intervals, okay, और some number of sub intervals are, that is repeated value छोड़ के कितने ऑब्जर्वेशंस है? 1 2 3 4 5 6, m equal to 6, और सब इंटरवल्स अगर कंसिडर किया 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 4 to 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, total 6 sub intervals are there. Okay, so value of a0 equal to 2 into summation y upon n, an equal to 2 into summation y into cos pi x n pi x upon l divided by m. So if we put n equal to 1, then we get a1, cos a1 का फार्मूला क्या होगा? a1 2 into summation y cos 1 pi x upon l, 1 pi x upon l, that is 1 pi x upon l equal to 6, l equal to 6 divided by m equal to 6. So we get the formula for a1, 2 upon 6 is 3, summation y into cos pi x upon 6, pi x upon 6. If we put n equal to 2, then we get a2, formula for a2, 2 into summation y into cos of n pi x, that is 2 pi x upon 6 divided by 6. We get formula for a2 equal to 2 into summation, 2 divided by 6 is 3, 2 divided by 6 3, okay, summation y into cos pi x upon 3, summation y pi x upon 3, and formula for a3 equal to, put n equal to 3 in this an, formula of an, then we get 2 into summation y into cos of n equal to 3 pi x upon l, 3 pi x upon l is 6, divided by value of m is 6, summation y into cos 2 by 6 3, and cos 3 pi of x upon L, that is pi x upon 2. Pi x upon 2. Okay, we get now summations. So make table value for x, y, value of x is x 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and value of y are 4, 8, 15, 7, 6, 2, 4. But don't consider the last value as 6 and 4, because for x equal to 0, value of function is 4, and for last value, 6th value, 6, for x equal to 6, we get again y equal to 4. So these 4 are repeated. That is, this is periodic function. After some interval, the value of the function is repeated. That's why we never consider the value for calculation. After that, we again get the values. For 7, we get value 8. For 8, x equal to 8, we get again 15. So values are repeated. So don't take repeated values here. Okay, we want summation. First, we want summation for a0. For a0, we want summation y. Right? Summation y. So we take the addition of all the values of y. Next, for a1, a2, a3. For a1, we need this summation. We need this summation y into cos pi x upon 3. So we take the multiplication of these two terms, y into cos pi x upon 6. For a2, we need this multiplication. We need this multiplication. For a2, we need this multiplication, y into cos, this multiplication, cos pi x upon 3. And for a3, we need this multiplication, y into cos pi x upon 2. Okay, we need this multiplication. After solving this value, we take the addition of this y into cos. We get summation y into cos pi x upon 6 equal to summation y. After solving this, calculate these values, y into cos, and after adding these values, we get summation y into cos pi x upon 3 equal to. After adding this column, we get the summation y into cos pi x upon 2. And use in calculator, the mode of calculator should be रेडियन, क्योंकि यहाँ x इक्वल टू 1 2 3 पुट करने के बाद ये जो एंगल बनने वाला है वो रेडियन में जाने वाला है, तो रेडियन कैलकुलेटर का मोड रेडियन होना चाहिए। तो रेडियन ये कैलकुलेशन, ये जो वैल्यू मल्टीप्लिकेशन करने के बाद ये कैलकुलेशन जो आने वाला है वो वैल्यूज मैं आपको बताता हूँ। ये समेशन आएगा 42। Summation of y into cos pi x upon 3 is 13.6962. Summation of y into cos pi x upon 3, summation of these all values, we get minus 8.5, and summation y into cos pi x upon 2, we get minus 5. Okay, now use these values, we use these summations, use this summation to solve, to find a0, a1, a2, a3. Okay, here value is suppose 4 4 4, we get value 4. Here 8, 6.9282, sorry, 6.9282, then we get plus 4, we get 0 here. For 15, 7.5 minus 7.5 minus 1.5. For 7, we get 0 minus 7 and 0. For x equal to 4, we get minus 3 and 6. and for x equal to 5 we get values minus 1.7320, 1 and 0. Okay, then after that calculation we get these three summations. If we put these three summations in A0, then we get A0 equal to 14. If we put these values of summation in this formula, then we get A1 equal to 4.5654. If we put this summation in this A2, we get the answer minus 2.8333. If we put this summation, last summation y into cos pi x upon 2 in this formula, we get answer minus 1.667. okay, so now we find these total values of A0, A1, A2, A3. Now put these values, all values, value of A0 is 14, so we put here 14 in this equation number 1, 14. So from 1 value of A0 is 14 divided by 2, 7 plus A0 value of A1 is 4.5654 into cos pi x upon 6. Then plus A2, value of A2 is minus 2.833 into cos 2 pi x upon 6. 2 pi x upon 6, that is pi x upon 3. Okay, then last put the values of A3. Value of A3 is minus 1.667 into cos 3 pi x upon 3. 3 pi x upon 3 मतलब pi x upon 3 by pi x upon 2 and so on. So in this way we find Fourier cosine series up to first three coefficients. Okay, so Fourier cosine series sin series आए तो 0 to L से कंपेयर करना है इंटरवल, एंड जब Fourier सीरीज ओनली Fourier सीरीज मेंशन रहेगा तो 0 to 2L से, तो पहला जो इंटरवल था 0 to 6 ही था, लेकिन उसे हमें 0 to 2L से कंपेयर किया, इसलिए L इक्वल टू कितना आया 3. तो आपको ये याद रखना है कि कैसे कौन सा एग्जाम्पल आने के बाद आपको इंटरवल क्या लेना है, किससे कंपेयर करना है और कौन सा फॉर्मूला यूज करना है. तो या Fourier कोसाइन में आपको फर्स्ट थ्री कोएफिशिएंट्स दिए थे. फर्स्ट थ्री मतलब n इक्वल टू 1 को A1 मिलेगा, n इक्वल टू 2 को A2 मिलेगा और n इक्वल टू 3 के लिए A3 कोएफिशिएंट मिलेगा. तो इन दिस वे आपको क्या कर सकते हैं, आप ये Fourier हार्मोनिक एनालिसिस के ऊपर के क्वेश्चंस सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. तो ये लास्ट टॉपिक था Fourier सीरीज का. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो और भी आपके इंजीनियरिंग स्टूडेंट्स को ये वीडियो आप फॉरवर्ड कर सकते हैं, शेयर कर सकते हैं. अभी तक आपने चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो आप चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो, और अगर इसके ऊपर के और भी ज़्यादा इंजीनियरिंग मैथमेटिक्स के और भी ज़्यादा वीडियो चाहिए तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो, अपने दोस्तों को शेयर करो और लाइक करो और कमेंट बॉक्स में लिखो कि आपके कौन से वीडियो चाहिए. थैंक यू.